Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for CFA Level 1 Ethics. To truly master this crucial section, begin by thoroughly understanding the CFA Institute's ethical and professional standards. These form the bedrock of ethical conduct in the investment profession. Concentrate specifically on the Code of Ethics and the 7 Standards of Professional Conduct. The most effective way to solidify your understanding is through extensive practice. Work through as many ethics questions as possible to apply these principles to real-world scenarios. This active learning approach is key to success. The ethics section is a significant component of the Level 1 exam, typically accounting for 15 to 20% of your total score. This weighting underscores its importance. Your primary focus should be on the 7 standards of professional conduct, delving into each standard and its various subsections. Do not overlook the accompanying guidance for standards, as this provides crucial context and practical examples. Understanding these nuances is essential for correctly interpreting and applying the ethical framework in diverse situations. For effective study, begin by reading the official curriculum's ethics section thoroughly. Do not just skim, engage with the material multiple times to ensure deep comprehension. A highly effective technique is to create flashcards for key definitions, specific rules, and common ethical dilemmas. This aids in memorization and quick recall. Crucially, work through all end-of-chapter questions provided in the curriculum. Supplement this with additional practice questions from mock exams to reinforce your understanding and application skills. On exam day, approach each ethics question with a clear strategy. First, read the question extremely carefully, identifying all key facts, involved parties, and potential conflicts. Next, systematically eliminate any answer choices that are obviously incorrect or inconsistent with the standards. This process helps narrow down your options. Finally, always choose the answer that represents the highest ethical standard, even if other options seem partially correct. This disciplined approach will maximize your chances of selecting the correct response.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.